Hey guys, what do you want to do today?
Hey, Donkey, I have a surprise for you.
What is it? Another cheesecake?
No, it's not.
What is it?
A monkey.
Yay!
My phone is ringing.
Oh, go check it.
Hello, have a good day.
Hey,
Her.
if you give me that monkey, I will give you $1,000.
I cannot do that. How I'm gonna do that?
Dice que él tenía 48 y yo
Right.
25.
I'm right behind you.
So you want me to take monkey from donkey?
Yes, I will give you $1 million.
Okay. I will go get him.
Go. So, hand it over. I'll give you $1 million. Oh, I forgot to give. So, hand it over. I'll
You're gonna-
give you $1,000.
You're gonna give it to me, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Now, but first, close your eyes.
Okay.
And now I'm gonna get the monkey. And now, and here you go. Don't open your eyes. And now, open them.